Hi, to change brightness level of your Vivo V40, we would need to go in the settings first. And here find its display and brightness tab. And the first thing we can see is this slider for adjusting the brightness. So to add brightness, you'll need to drag the slider right. And here you can see this higher power consumption notification. Or you can drag the slider left to reduce the brightness. This is the minimum brightness you can get. Now let's put it in the middle. And to reach this feature easily, we can just swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger the control center. And we can also see this brightness slider. So here you can do just the same thing, and also if you would like to, you can enable automatic brightness by tapping on this A letter so it will light up blue, or you can disable it by tapping it again. If you enable it, that will mean that your brightness of your display will adjust depending on the lighting around you. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.